photo documentation evidence there, you know. If I get hurt, you can send this to my wife and kids. I might not want this roller. This roller's going to probably have me too high. Probably better off just without it.
You said?
Guess we got uniforms. Huh?
Another piece of cardboard thrown away on that.
Nah, all right. That's what we got uniforms for, Gerald. Okay, so this has to come up, and these two here, or these, no. These two here go on those two studs.
Yeah, the very top one, and then,
yeah, these two right here.
Yeah.
Slide onto that, right?
Yep.
That's it? Okay.
And then there's this other shaft that's going to go in this here.
Yeah,
Right?
this one here, the one with the spline right here goes on that one.
Yep.
And this one.
But that'll be after you probably got most of the weight off.
Yeah, yeah. Once I start to slide, yeah, once I slide that on there, it should be all right. Going up.
We're still 6 inches apart.
I can't see at this point, so I'm gonna need you to help me guide it.
It's got to go 6 inches forward.
Oh, to get past the studs first? Okay.